Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can build a complete ERP system for any kind of business using AI. So for AI you can use any AI. So in this tutorial we're going to use Claude Code, but if you want to use free AI then you can use Open Code. So before you want to build your website, first of all what you need to do is that you need to create a prompt. So you can create a prompt using ChatGPT. So here you can see I just give a simple prompt over here. I want to build a CRM and ERP together, a complete platform to handle any kind of business using Laravel and MySQL. I just mentioned the backend technologies that I want to use, and I also mentioned the admin panel design should be beautiful, and I told ChatGPT to write me a professional prompt. Okay, so ChatGPT write me a prompt. Here you can see. So if you want to make different kind of website, you just need to mention it over here, and ChatGPT will do the rest of the work. So here you can see our prompt is ready. There you can see. So right now what you need to do is that you need to have a AI install. So the AI we are going to use is called Claude Code. So in order to install Claude Code, you need to have Node.js installed in your system. So just make sure you have Node.js installed. So after installing Node.js, what you need to do is that you just need to search for Claude Code CLI, press enter, and here you can see code.claude.com. So from here you can see if you're in macOS or Linux, you need to copy and run this command. And if you are using Windows, then you just need to copy this command, then open your command prompt, I mean the CMD, just search over here CMD, open the command prompt, and you just need to paste over here and press enter. So this command will install Claude Code in your system. So Claude Code is paid. You cannot use this for free, but for free AI, you can use Open Code. Open Code is also good. It's also like close to Claude Code, like 70-80% or maybe 90%. So you just need to copy this command and paste it in the CMD and press enter. So it will install Open Code. So for this tutorial, we are going to use Claude Code. So right now, let's go to our folder. Let me just create a folder over here. I'll just create a folder, and let's say the folder name will be my underscore ERP. So I'll just go inside this folder, click at the top, right over here CMD and press enter. And here, in order to open the Claude Code interface, we just need to see over here Claude. We just need to see over here Claude. But I'm going to give a different command over here. I'm going to say over here Claude dangerously skip permissions and press enter. So what will happen is that when Claude write or edit the project, it will not ask for any permissions. So right now I'm going to trash the folder and press enter. And there you can see Claude Code is open, and there you can see bypass permission on. So right now we don't have to give permission Claude Code multiple times. Okay, Claude Code can approve any kind of permission by itself. So right now what we need to do is really simple. All we need to do is we just need to copy this prompt and we need to paste it inside Claude Code. So I'm just going to paste it over here, Ctrl V. And here you can see I'm going to click here paste anywhere. There you can see pasted 817 lines. So I'm going to press enter. So right now Claude Code will read the entire prompt, and based on the prompt it will start filling our website. So when you give the prompt, it might ask you a few questions. So I'm going to choose the first option and press enter. So for this again I'll choose the first option, press enter, and yes, all install, and press enter again. So right now Claude Code will check all our answer, and based on the answer Claude Code right now will start building the project. So right now I'll just fast forward the video until the whole project creation is complete. So here you can see our website creation is almost complete. So let me just show you one thing, that is, let me just go to the browser, and there you can see Claude Code automatically open a browser, and Claude Code itself is checking the website by giving demo data and checking for any issues and bugs. So how can we do the same thing? So for it, all you need to do is that if you want Claude Code to check your browser, then what you need to do is we just need to add Claude Code extension in your Chrome browser. So for it, you just need to search for Claude extension for Chrome. Just search for Claude extension for Chrome and press enter. And there you can see Chrome Web Store Cloud. So I'm going to click here, and there you can see I have added Cloud in my Chrome browser. So here you can see, so you will see a install button or add extension button over here. You just need to click on that button, and then you need to log in with your Cloud Code account, and that's all you need to do. You just need to install Claude from Chrome Web Store, and then just log in with your Cloud Code account. And then Cloud Code right now will have access to your browser, so Cloud Code will be able to check the website by itself. So that's what I want to show. So right now again I'll just fast forward the video until Cloud Code check everything and complete the website. Okay, so here you can see it's done. So Cloud Code has tested in the browser, and it found some bug and fixed those in browser. There you can see. So I'll recommend you to add Cloud Code extension in your browser. So it's not completely built. So the next step is to build those purchase, manufacturing, HR, project, support, asset, and etc. So let me just check the project and show it to you. So how can we run the project? So we can also just ask Cloud Code, how can we run the project? So let's say here, how can we run the project, and press enter. So Cloud Code will tell us how you can run the project in your local device. So here you can see Cloud Code is saying everything is running at this address. So let me just go to this link. I'll just copy this and paste it in the browser and press enter. So it we are already logged in, and it also give us a login credential as well. So right now let's go and check everything. So here you can see we have the CRM option. So we can add new customer over here. There you can see new customer, company name, email, everything. Then we have the sales. If we now click on sales, and we will be able to add sales quotation over here. We can give date, expire date, and everything. We have the purchase here. So I think the purchase and inventory is not complete. So let me just complete those as well. So here Cloud Code already says over here that purchase, manufacturing, HR is not complete. So let me just complete this as well. So I'll just copy this, then I'll just paste it over here, and I'm going to say over here, complete those now. Let's say step by step, and press enter. So again, Cloud Code will take its time, and I'll just fast forward the video until it's complete as well. So here you can see everything is complete. So right now let's go back to our browser, and let me just refresh over here. And there you can see we have a few more menu over here. There you can see. So right now we have purchase, which is working. There is inventory. So here you can see purchase is working. We have product management, then manufacturing. So everything is working properly. There you can see. So a few more things is not working. So we need to tell Cloud to fix those one by one. So, but basically the software is complete. We just need to add or fix a few more things, which I'll do later. And if you want to get the source code, then you can check the comment section, and also the description. I will give the source code download link after fixing and adding a few more feature over here. And if you want to know how you can host this website on Hostinger using AI, then you will see a video on the screen. Just click on that video. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.